Grandpa, good morning.
Who are you calling Grandpa? Did I give birth to your father? Look, don't address me like that again.
So how should I address you then?
If you can't call me my husband, then forget it. Don't call me by any other name.
How can I call you that? You are not my husband. Besides, I'm too young to be a wife. Much more, a third wife to someone as old as my grandfather. I'm thinking of continuing my education to the university level. You are here talking about marriage.
You are sick.